Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of Trive Talk. I'm Jacky Tong, Head of Market Analyst Asia. Today we have Mr. Anup, Country Manager of India. We will talk about the Indian market today. Hi Mr. Anup, nice to meet you.
Thank you, Mr. Tong. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm very happy to have you today to talk about the Indian markets.
Okay.
So before we start, can you tell us more about yourself, like your background, your experience in this industry?
Okay. Thanks for asking this question. Okay. I'm really happy to say about myself. So, as long as about my experience, I'm like a 15-year experience in the forex industry. So, I started my career in the 2009, and where I started my career in terms of as a career started from sales. So, after sales, I got a promotion for the retention manager. I went for the team leader, then business development manager, IB manager. Then finally, I got an opportunity in Trive as a country manager for India. So now I'm currently handling a 10 member of teams with the sales.
So how do you get involved in this industry? Like maybe from your friends, or you are very interested in financial market?
Okay, because see, when I'm in bachelor degree, doing the completion of my bachelor degree, and in the year of 2009, we got an opportunity to join a company called the forex broker is different broker is forex place. So I got an opportunity, and that was related to the finance. And so my core experience is the finance and the marketing. So once I joined, I don't have any idea about this forex industry, but we have we have gone through our study in the subject called portfolio management. So in which we know about little bit basic information about what is forex. So forex, pips, spread. This I have gone through that. And once we join this company, then after having the 6-month session, that the training session will come to know it's good, and I'm eager to learn what is exactly forex means. So that on that point of time, the company made me such a beautiful thing that if you can learn forex, you can achieve whatever you want. So after 14-year experience from the sales to be as a country manager, 15-year experience. So basically, I love trading.
How about is a client asking you, Mr. Anup, I want to see your trading record to build up my confidence in order to become your client or IB. How do you solve this problem?
Okay, first of all, see, while talking to the clients, okay, let example, if you are my clients, so I need to know about you. What's your thinking? What's your background? Okay, what's your financial status? Okay, because in this industry, forex industry, opportunities are like anything. Even if you can start with the $100, if you can start with the $1,000, you can start with the $10,000. Okay, but we need to understand. So for finding the client, to explain about in terms of means being onboarding the client. Okay, we need to understand. Okay, so whether you are looking for a job seeker, or you are doing a professional trader, or you want to be a businessman. So if on that basis, I need to understand. Okay, you are doing a job or like a businessman, a professional. So if you are a businessman, then we can inform about, okay, this is the very good product where you can do your business along with the partners. You can do as a business point of view also. You can generate more and more income.
I believe you are very understand about the Indian market. Can you tell us more about the current state of Indian market, like the development, the trend of forex trading?
So, okay, first of all, one thing I'll tell you, in India, is forex not called as a legal, it's come under gray area. So we need to, because and it's yes, of course, it helps us on the economic sector, its growth. Okay, as long as, because it's forex is regulated under as per the India is getting monitored by RBI, is Reserve Bank of India. Yes, of course, we can do it, but we need to be focused on the leverage part, because as per the Reserve Bank of India, we need to focus on leverage, that is, we cannot go beyond the limit. But yeah, forex, we can get more and more leverage. And RBI follow on the 4 major currency where you can do the trading, like a Euro INR, GBP INR, JPY INR. So these are 4 major currencies where you can do in this. If you want to do the business in India, you can continue with this. But parallelly, some like that, most of the broker they used to go because there are 7 major currency. So even then you can do it. Even shares also you can do it. In the currency also do it. You can do it.
How about if your client have this concern about the illegal trading in India? How do you solve their concern and continue push them into the forex trading?
No, it's not like that. We are not like that. We are pushing all the clients to do the trading. First, we make them understand. We make them understand what forex is. So once they understand about what exactly forex means it's buying and selling of currency. Okay, we need to make them understand. So this is not an illegal thing. Okay, only you need to focus on the part of you need to understand the market. Once you understand the market, okay, only the problem is in the before 2009, there are no issue in terms of the fund transfer. Okay, we can directly transfer through the SWIFT, through the bank, remittance. But RBI, due to some economic effect, okay, they stop to do the remittance. So that's the reason it's illegal, because we are giving the more exposure, more leverage for the trading. And most of the even some client, they are making a good money, and because it's small client, they are always losing the money. But they don't know which point we need to focus, whether it's a technical part or like a fundamental part. So this all the things we need to focus on, because as a client perspective, we need to understand why they are losing the money. We need to think about that.
So if a client keep losing money, how will you help them? Like provide them education or keep asking them deposit again?
Yes, that is very nice question.
Yeah.
Okay, because as my sales team, I never ask them to focus on the deposit part. Always I ask, just make him understand, give him more trading, give him more education, tell him to do it in the demo account, and think that this demo account is your real money. Once you understand that this is your real money, and then you go for the trading. Okay, and just we need to focus on the different technical in terms of what is the market analysis, what is the sentiment, what is the what you can say, the economic effect. Okay, what is the unemployment is, when the news comes, what is the movement of the market volatility is there. So we need to focus on that. We need to explain all the things slowly, and I'll ask them to make them understand the proper concept of this forex trading. So once they understand, I think there are most 70 to 80% chances to win this game.
Okay, I believe forex trading now in India is very popular. Can you tell me like what kind of factor make the forex trading is so popular in India?
Okay. Nowadays, forex market is going in boom. Even in India, most of them 90% people know about the forex trading, and how it's going just because of the digitalization and the cross-border investment. So digitalization means in terms of their social media channels that the lost, because people are just informing. Okay, so they made $100, they made $500, they made $5,000. So how come? So we need this just of forex trading.
But as I know, India client is more prefer in the cryptocurrency rather than forex trading. So when you meet a crypto trader, how do you persuade them to convert into forex trading?
Okay, so yes, and the last couple of years, most of the traders, they are moving on to the crypto trading, but because they got a hike, immediate hike of the like a 50%, 60% market goes up for the in crypto. Yes, in the same parallel way, we used to inform them, okay, we'll have an opportunity to do the trading in the shares also, okay, in the forex also, because same as it, because in crypto, okay, in some point of time it will be the stagnant, or the amount of price is like a fixed, there is less volatility. But in this, If you do in like a currencies or commodity like a gold, will be the regular frequent market volatility.
Okay, okay. So as a country manager of India, what kind of strategy you had implemented in the India?
Okay, that's good question. Okay, so now we are going to have some like a in terms of the strategy as being a country manager for the India. So I'm going to implement on the marketing part. We need to focus on the targeting customer, targeting audience. Okay, and the just physical presence in the expo, and the and we need to have like a to do some like a social work. Okay, and these sorts of that I'm going to implement.
So you mentioned just now you now is a country manager of Trive market in India. So can you tell us more about like what Trive is going to do in future, like marketing, selling plan, or even the education?
Yes, nowadays, yes, of course, marketing in the terms of if we're talking about the tribe, of course, yes, now their main focus is to educate the clients and target the audience. Once you educate, if they understand, they will start the business with you.
So I believe you have some kind of requirement in order to choosing the IB. So if I want to become your IB, what kind of condition I need to have?
Okay, that's good. Okay, recently we have launched a very good IB commission structure. Okay, as I know that as my experience is that no other broker is providing that much commission structure, which is $16. Which is $16. It goes to $18 also. Okay, it's depend upon the on which level you are. Maximum you do the trade, maximum you do the lot size, maximum you get benefits.
So what is the reason that you choose Trive is not and no other broker? Like Trive got anything is attract to you?
Okay, that's a really tricky question you asked me because I work for a GKFX Prime. Frankly, I'm talking. I work for a GKFX Prime, and eventually I got an opportunity in Thrive. So I saw that okay, there is a career exposure, and even I've just go through the what exactly Tribe, because Tribe is not only managing the CFD, even they have the multiple business in terms of the finance, in terms of credit, in terms of portfolio management, in terms of credit card. They have lots of business. They are not depending on the one business, only the CFD. So I thought, okay, it's good to move on to the broker where they have the multiple businesses. So that's the reason I thought move on to the Tribe.
In terms of the market psychology, how Indian people look at the forex market? Like they think forex is scam or just a quick rich scheme?
Okay, that's very really interesting question that you have asked. Okay, first of all, the being an Indian, even I also think, and even what client thinks, yes, exactly, they want to become rich in the short period of time. They want to double their money in the short period of time. So nowadays, now you can focus on if you talk about the young generation people also, young generation, they like how the Indian digital market works. Okay, now you can say India now main focus in digitalization. So everywhere now even I have done some R&D research on that. That even remote people, even the villagers, they also want to know what exactly forex is, how it works. Yes, they know that this is the this is like what you can say. This is the company or this is the thing where we can make the money, where we can double the money, or where we can make the profit, where we can and generate on daily basis income. In parallelly going into the different area and doing the job and all the things, if we can invest I know 25,000 or 30,000, which comes around $400 to $500, and I can generate on the daily basis is $1,000. So our Indian concept, Indian thinking, they always think about to make money in the short period of time. Even some I find this so many influencers also there. Now they are focusing on the market, especially on the forex industry.
So can I conclude their mindset is more to gambling rather than investing? Because I saw some of the social media, right, like Instagram, I saw those Indian traders when they're trading, they just go all in or full margin.
No, they go into the full margin. They want to do the trading. Okay, they first they need to understand. Okay, they know about forex. See, there is two concept, as I know. One is forex, buying and selling of currency on the virtual platform, that is called MT4, and one buying and selling of currency is the hard currency. If you are going to the different country, you need to buy some currency, you need to sell currency, exchanging of the currency. So earlier, as I know, before 2012, people know, okay, forex. What is forex? Means buying and selling of currency. Means, okay, let example, if I'm going to China, I have to buy Chinese yen, convert from INR to Chinese yen. And now even the young generation, they know, okay, what is forex? Forex means doing a trading on the platform in the mobile, just because of this digitalization. India is now focusing on the digitalization part, and so most of the investors, they took participate on doing trading. Whether it's a different platform, they have the web platform or MetaTrader for platform. But yeah, main focus is to generate more and more revenue.
So in this case, what is the most traded product in India market? Like gold, maybe yen, euro.
Okay, see, in India, people used to focus on the commodity, mainly in the commodity, that gold and silver. And even, yes, of course, eventually they do forex also. Yeah, forex only they do trading on two or three pair of currency: GBP USD, Euro USD, and Japanese yen. Okay, and the commodities gold and silver. So most of the trader, if you go on to the retail, they focus on the this one commodity size. Commodity means only in the gold. So because they are because in Indian market, we have Indian local market, okay, that is stock exchange, which is regulated by the RBI, okay, another SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India. So only that we can do the trading in four major pairs along with the commodities.
Mr. Anup, how about if your client is asking you, I do not have time to do the trading or invest, but I want to invest. Can you help me to manage my money? Will you do that?
No, yes, we have the platform. Okay, we have the option. Okay, just approaching the client to do go with the PAM and MAM manager. Okay, so that some client, they don't have the time to do the trading on, like they have the other businesses and all the things, so they cannot sit and do the trading. But parallelly, we used to give that option for the PAM trading and the copy trading option. So we suggest them, okay, so by seeing their past performance, past 6 year performance, what is the average return, what is the on which currency they are doing the trading, what is the maximum lot size, complete information we just passed on the to the clients. Okay, we'll ask them just go and review that, and what are the strategies they are following, what are the indicators they are following, what are the technical analysis, all the information all in the things, PAM. Okay, and you can see that what is the average return on the monthly basis. Okay, some of the PAM manager, they used to give like a 10%, 5%, 20%, 30%. Okay, we suggest them, okay, so these are the options. You can just go through and check it out which PAM manager is best for you, because this money is all yours. You need to take decision. So how you can select which trader is the PAM manager is the best for me, because you are going to invest. So, and if yes, of course they will ask, okay, how I'm going to share my profit. So I just suggest the information that we should have an option. We should have like an option that before signing an agreement with the PAM manager, which is selecting the PAM manager, okay, you need to check it out. So how much profit you are going to share it. whether it's 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, and I think it's maximum 50% you can save. Not more than that. 50% the PAM manager can ask the sharing part of this of his the profit. So like that, we suggest them to go with this strategy with the PAM manager, with the person who is not having the time. Yes, of course, in parallel way, we also educate them. Okay, so better to have your, because money is yours. Nobody is going to take care of your money. If you are taking care of your own money, that is well and good. But if you are depending on somebody, maybe he will lose the account, make the profit also. But if you do the trading by your own, if you lose also, you understand, you learn something. But by giving your own details or portfolio to the different person to manage your account, you're not going to learn.
So in this case, how do you persuade your client this particular fund manager is reliable?
No, yes, of course they have the past performance also. We need to check it out. We need to check what is the performance of this PAM manager. So how much they are making a profit on the monthly basis. Okay, on which pair they are doing the trading. What is the consistency on that? And all the things. So you need to check it out for the past 6 months. Sometimes you need to go with the 1 year performance, how much the yearly growth they have given.
But sometimes past performance cannot represent the future. As you know, our market now is more uncertainty and volatility.
Yes, of course, but yes, of course, we need to go with the risk sentiment also. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, today I'm making a profit. It doesn't mean that tomorrow also I'm going to make a profit. Okay, but of course, by seeing the performance, on the performance based, we can predict the market, right? If we are going to the market doing the trading, we need to go with the sentiment. Sometimes we used to go for the sentiment. We can see the market sentiment. Okay, buyer is more than the seller. So means, okay, now current market buyer is more than the seller. So most of the clients or most of the people, they used to go for the trade with the buyer position, not with the selling position. Okay, and sometimes the people used to think, okay, 80% people are going to buy gold. Okay, why can't I take a sell? Sometimes that is the risk management. So he's having the capacity to take more risk. So it's depend upon the how much you believe on the traders, and in terms of the PAM manager. Okay, so how reliable is, and what is the market scenario, how much making a profit, returns, average monthly return, all the things, because money is not going to his directly pocket. Okay, it's going via to the company. Once you deposit, it goes to the PAM manager portfolio. He is going to trade behalf of you.
How about the fund manager end up burst all the account? How do you talk to your client?
Okay, so now fund manager is having a completely different concept. Fund manager, like, he's managing your portfolio.
Yes.
And as an Indian concept, okay, fund manager is like that. Okay, they used to give like, okay, Mr. X, I'll give you the fixed return of 5% on a monthly basis. Someone fund manager, okay, say I'll give you 10%, 15%. Okay, they decide whatever, whether profit or loss, that is taken care by the fund manager.
Okay, I see. So just now you mentioned about the Trive promotion, like 100K, 20% losable, 50K. How the Indian market react to this promotion?
Yes, especially if you talk about the India, okay, Indian clients they think about only to how to grab the bonus. They're always eager to take the bonus. So they need to understand, but yes, of course, if we can add more thing in terms of the bonus structure, in terms of like now we are offering the $100,000, $50,000 margin bonus. Okay, same as this parallelly we'll have 20%. 20% is practically it's good. Maximum you can get a 500 bonus. Let example, if I deposited $10,000, is 20% it will come is equal to $1,000, right? So where, as per the company policy, I used to get only $500 bonus, and in that bonus we have a 3 months time. As a trader, I need to complete to get this $500. I need to 500 divided by 5, almost 250, 25, 20, 25 lots. I need to complete 25 lots in 3 months. If I complete this in 3 months, so I can withdraw this profit amount also. As long as profit, how much profit I have got, that also I can withdraw, and this one also we can say bonus amount also. So that's practically it's good.
So before we end, Mr. Anup, can you tell us more about the Trive partner? How to become the Trive partner and about the structure, rebate, and everything?
Okay, practically it's partner. If you talk about the partner commission structure, is really is good. It will start from the $18. Okay, and it's depend upon how much volume you are doing in the monthly basis. If it's going to be increased up to $22 also. So we need to have the follow the process to how to go inside with the IB and as long as the partner also. So we need to go to register in the website, and just in the partner column we need to sign with the agreement. What sort of agreement? We need to have a different questionnaires over there. So what are the forecast future, how much you're going to get the clients in terms of business, how you're going to bring the clients, how you're going to do seminars, and even in terms of support, we are is to provide the marketing support. We just promote IBs, that how to get more clients. So this how we are just working on the partner call.
So any deposit requirement for the partner, or just flexible?
No, internally, okay. Yes, of course, there is no certain slab on that. But yes, practically, our sales team follows some strategy on that. They used to focus on, okay, if you want to become an IB, first you start with the 3 clients. If you start with the 3 clients, if you introduce new 3 clients, then you are eligible to being a partner. Because Indian, especially if you talk about the Indian clients, just generally focus on, okay, I become a IB and my wife become a IB client. So only for generating commission. So we need to understand the client thinking, and we need to understand what is the background of the client. Whether he is the existing partner of other broker, or he is completely new, or he is doing the MLM business, or what sort of the business, what is any professional trader, or like any business owner. Once you understand, okay, if sometime, okay, we know that, okay, this partner is practically exist in the market, he's doing the trading with the other broker, he is having the knowledge about, so we no need to ask that we just refer 3 clients, we start onboarding the IBs. But who is completely new or like a fresher in this market, okay, to know about this performance, we ask them to, okay, bring 3 clients on the monthly basis. Once we start bringing 3 clients, onboarding 3 new clients, then you are eligible to become a partner.
I see. How about the individual client? Like, I just want to be a trader. What is the process to join Trive?
Simply, if you want to become a retail client, I think you need to be registered on the website, complete the questionnaires, all that. You need to submit all the compliance document. Once your account is verified, then you need to select what sort of account you are looking for. Whether it's a standard account, because it depends upon the client also. Okay, some clients are like completely new to this market, some are the experienced traders, some are like a professional trader. So it's depend upon the client. Okay, once you understand, okay, you are like a professional trader, then we can ask, okay, you can go with the BIP account and start with the $5,000. But of course, if like a retail client with a small amount, okay, you don't know about the forex market, but if you want to start, so we are not going to push for the $1,000 or $10,000 or $5,000. Start pushing him to, okay, start with the basic amount is $100 or $200. Once he understand the market, of course, he's going to put more and more amount.
Okay, so Mr. Anup, before we end the conversation, do you have something you want to talk to our audience?
Yes, okay, one thing I just want to say, add on that, if you are entering into the forex market, is okay, practically it's completely risk oriented, but you need to understand, before going into the market, you need to understand and learn the process, how it works, what is the market sentiment. You need to understand both the things, fundamental as well as the technical part. Once you understand, then you go through some tools or the indicators and the technical analysis part. and the educational things. So we used to provide that, and after that you can start your live account.
Thank you for watching second episode of Trive Talk. I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget share, like and subscribe.
Trive.
Big